Hi everyone, welcome to Linda's Natural Health Remedies. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Excuse me. Are you suffering from a cough or a sore throat? Well, I've got the remedy. This I love. It's called Ricola. Maybe many of you saw the commercial. Ricola! Ricola! So it's an herbal drop, cough drops. It tastes minty and herbally. It's a very nice flavor. It's like this. Don't overtake this. So there are instructions. Yeah, this really soothes your throat. It soothes mine, so I hope it soothes yours. I take it on a regular basis, a few times a day for about a week. You'll see a big difference. I actually love the taste. It's a little minty and herbally flavor. There's all types of flavors, actually many types of flavors, but I love the original. I love the original. Original everything, almost original everything is the best. But maybe you have different tastes, so maybe you like lemon flavor, cherry flavor, but I prefer the original. So yeah, I hope it works for you like it works for me. Stay healthy and happy. And any questions, comments, if you like this video, like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Yeah, I hope you have a healthy and happy life. And yeah, enjoy this. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.